Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a toffee wrapper with paper, an easy guide for your delicious homemade treats. First, gather your essential materials. You will need parchment paper, a pair of sharp scissors, and a ruler to ensure all your cuts are precise. Always select food-grade paper to keep your toffee safe and fresh. Remember to let your toffee cool completely before you begin the wrapping process. Now that your materials are ready, let's focus on cutting the paper accurately. Begin by measuring your individual toffee pieces. This helps you determine the perfect paper dimensions. For most standard toffee, cutting your paper into rectangles of approximately 4 inches by 6 inches works wonderfully. Use your ruler and scissors to ensure all your edges are perfectly straight, giving your wrapped toffee a clean and professional look. With your paper cut, it is time for the fun part, wrapping your delicious toffee. Take one piece of your cooled toffee and place it directly in the center of a paper rectangle. Next, carefully fold the 2 longer sides of the paper over the toffee, ensuring they overlap slightly in the middle. Finally, twist both ends of the paper tightly, like a candy wrapper, to securely enclose your treat. You have successfully wrapped your homemade toffee. To keep your treats fresh for longer, store the wrapped toffee in an airtight container at room temperature. For an extra special touch, consider tying a small piece of decorative ribbon or natural twine around each wrapper. Feel free to experiment with various paper patterns and colors to personalize your toffee wrappers, making them perfect for gifting or enjoying yourself.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.